Have you ever wondered, why do we cry for Imam Hussain? It's because tears are not weakness, they're love in motion. They're our way of saying, Imam Hussain, we feel your pain, and we'll never forget you. When we remember the thirst of the children, the cries of Bibi Sakina, the sacrifice of Ali Akbar, our hearts have to feel, because Imam Hussain didn't just fight for himself, he fought for humanity, for justice, for truth. So next time your eyes fill with tears in a majlis, know this: your tears are a part of the story. They carry love. They carry loyalty. They make sure the world never forgets. Imam Hussein's message lives on.